Dance is going great, moving tons of product. Lala's on the way now, she's coming in. Sure, it's gonna be pandemonium when she gets here. She's gonna be signing autographs and taking major pictures, so we look forward to it.
Hi! Hey, we're at the IBS show at the Jacob Javits Convention Center. We have our Motives booth. It's a lot going on. A lot of people here. It's fun. It's a chance to showcase the makeup, and hopefully people love it as much as I do. I got the makeup brushes, concealer. I love the colors. I tried the palette. I like it. I like the consistency. It's very good. We love it. It's actually better than MAC to me. The comparison between MAC and Motives, there were some similarities, but I noticed the Motives product is actually very smooth when it comes to the lipstick. When it comes to the makeup, the brushes, everything. It's a long lasting on the face. I watch the show all the time, so I'm so excited I just met her. Oh my god. Brush set. I'm so excited I needed one so bad. And she signed it also. I got fire. Lala picked it out for me. She told me I was pretty. Motives for Lala! We have an amazing line of products that are made for all and all shapes. Well, you can go online, motivescosmetics.com/Lala, and get the product there. We have pop-up shops all over the country where you can buy it. We have booths like this, so if you want to find us, you definitely can.
Just want to send a big shout out to Market America, Lala, Motives by Lala. We're here right now at Jacob Javits Center. She broken me in my back. I just came up here to show some support. I was here in the area. I had to show my wife some support. So support Motives by Lala. By the way, Champion Blend is out there. Shop.com, Market America, the whole family going to y'all. Peace out.